First of all po, congratulations po sa Edric po at sa tema sa buong cast. Kasi balita namin, natanggap itong Thelma sa 31st Hawaiian International Film Festival sa October. So, pupunta ba kayong dalawa? Ano po ang masasabi niyo sa with Tony?
So yeah, first of all, magandang balita yan sa Thelma, no? We were invited to our world premiere at the Hawaii International Film Festival. So I'll be there in October. Will you be there, ma?
Inaayos ko po yung schedule. Kasi meron din po akong teleserye tour with Coco Martin. Tapos magka-text kami ni Miss Mariol nung last week po. Tapos sabi ko kung pwede, payagan na po ako dumiretso. So yun po, pinagdadasal ko siya.
But yeah, we're very thankful to Hawaii. They accepted us. So we hope and we pray it's the first of maybe many international festivals that we could attend.
Tama no? Are you satisfied? Ngayon ang magtatanong si Alex Gato, who writes for so many papers. Eto ngayon.
Kunti lang sa Facebook. Well, isa po ako sa nagko-congratulate sa Thelma. Sorry, nabubulol ako dahil fasting ako ngayon. Isa ako sa nag-congratulate sa producer and of course the movie na nasama kayo dito sa isang film festival sa Hawaii. And of course, I would like to ask Direk Paul kung bakit a movie on running ang napili mo. Is this your first venture?
Actually, it's my second film. No?
Okay.
Journey Home was my first one. But medyo yung Journey Home was more parang selected cinemas DVD release. No? But my first na talagang distributed by Star Cinema, lalabas sa cinemas nationwide. So yeah, parang in that regard, first time.
So, ginawa mo itong pelikula dahil mayroon kang intensyon na maisama ito sa mga pelikula sa international film festivals?
Well, first and foremost, yung Thelma, big sports fan ako, big sports movie buff ako eh. I love yung mga Children of Heaven, mga Rudy, Remember the Titan. So, big sports fan ako. So, parang dream ko talaga to do a sports film, no? And I know in Philippine cinema, not so much sports films or sports themes films. No? So parang, I thought maybe it's time because we're making so much news in the sports. We have Dragon Ball team, diba? We have all these athletes, yung Donaire, the boxer, diba? Making waves, across the world, no? So parang I thought maybe the Filipinos are ready for a sports-themed, sports drama film, no? But I also want to make clear now that the film running talaga is just a metaphor for the film. I don't want to say it's a running film. It's really a story of Thelma, a provincial girl na medyo pasaway, na found out one day mabilis siya. Mabilis tumakbo, diba? Her gift of speed. And she made it her dream to run. Diba? And I always encourage people to dream, but also to work hard so that your dreams come true. And she was able to help her family and stuff like that. So, very inspirational kind of film.
Parang ang layo ng mga location nyo. Imagine yung sa Pagudpud. Then, saan pa bang mga lugar ang nakunan ninyo?
Well, we were based in Ilocos Norte for about 2 weeks. So yeah, definitely the Ilocos region, which is apparently also where Maha Salvador is from. No? She's from Aparis, so we're just a couple of hours away. No? Actually, yeah, Ilocos Norte, beautiful scenery.
Direk, I would like to congratulate